Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Now is the time for the explanation of this chapter. Now, as you know, the chapter name is Being a Bee. So, definitely, we are going to talk about bees in this chapter. We'll come to know much more thing about bees. So, children, do you know that there are 20,000 different species of bees in this world? And you know that bees live in colonies. They contain the queen bees, worker bee, and the drone. So in this chapter, we are going to know about the queen bee, the worker bees, and the drone. What they do, what are their job, and as you know that bees make honey for us. So what is the procedure of making the honey? You know that they collect it from flower. So what they collect from flower and how they convert it into honey, we'll come to know all these in this chapter. And this is going to be tell us by Buzz. Buzz is a bee in this chapter who is going to tell us about all these things to us. So let's start this chapter. Different creatures do different things during the day. Let's hear what Buzz, the busy bee, has to tell us about her life. So as I've already introduced you that Buzz is a bee. So she is going to tell us about the life of bees. Okay. Here there, my name is Buzz. I am a honeybee. I live in a beehive with thousands of other bees. We do a lot of work throughout the day. Okay, so she is saying that my name is Buzz and I am a honeybee. She is a honeybee and she lives in a beehive. Beehive means where bees live and make honey with thousands of other bees. Bees never lives alone. They live in a colony. They lives with thousands of other bees. So we do a lot of work throughout the day, and throughout the day they work together. That's why we are called the worker bees. So as I've told you that in the colony worker bees are there. So who works? Worker bees. We also help each other out to carry out our everyday tasks. Means each bees, worker bees, they help each other in carrying out the task. Every one of us knows what they have to do and try to do it as best as they can. So every bee know that what is her work and what she has to do and how she has to do. So bees can do their work by their own. And worker bees are female bees. And also this queen bee also a female bees. But the drone is a male bee. We have a queen bee too. She is very big in size. Everyone respects her. She lays more than 1000 eggs a day, and that's how all of us are born. So among them there is a queen bee also, and she is very big in size. Also she lays thousand of eggs a day, and that's how these worker bees born. And every worker bee respect the queen bee. So as you know that worker bees work and make honey, and queen bees is to lay lay eggs only. We bees love to keep ourselves busy. That's why you admire us so much. Now, as we know that bees are very busy creature, and that's why we also say that the person is as busy as bee. We give examples of bees. You must have heard adults telling each other that they are as busy as we. So we give examples of bees when we find that somebody is very busy toward his or her work. We visit 50 to 100 flowers each time we go out to collect pollen. Means when they go out for the collection of pollen, they used to go 50 to 100 flowers each time when they go for the pollen collection. We spend the whole day collecting nectar, and whole day they used to go over here and there for collecting nectar only, and return home only when it gets dark outside. It means they work whole day, and when it gets dark outside, then they come back to their hive. Did you know that it takes 12 bees' entire life's hard work to make just a teaspoon of honey for you? Oh, that's really amazing. As you can see that it takes 12 bees entire lives hard work, means entire life. If 12 bees work, then only they can produce a simple teaspoon, a teaspoon of honey for us. This is really amazing. Think about us the next time you put honey on your toast. Okay, so she is telling us that when next time we put honey on our toast, so we have to be remember that how hard these bees work. So we should not waste a single drop of honey. We love making honey for humans, and she is saying that she loves making honey for us. The beekeepers only take the honey that we do not need from our hives. So none of us go hungry even if you eat our honey. So the beekeepers, who are the beekeepers? A person who owns and take cares of bees, and they collect the honey from the hive. So they take only that much honey which is not required by the bees, and that honey is used by us. Did you know? Did you know that only female honeybees do all the work to make honey? As I've told you that the um worker bees are the female and they only work for making honey. The male honeybees hardly do any work. So what they do? They sit all day in the beehive doing nothing. They are called drones. So the male honeybees called drone, and they do not work, and they just sit all day in the beehive. They don't even have a sting. That's interesting. They don't even have a sting to protect themselves. They don't have a sting to protect themselves. So next time, no need to worry about when you see a drone. However, during the summer months, when the hive becomes too hot for the bees to live, they flap their wings continuously to keep the hive cool. But during in summer, what they do when they sit in the hive? So in during summer, what they do? They continuously flap their wings so that the uh, hive remain cool for the bees to live. Are you frightened of us because we sting? So she's asking, are you afraid of us that we sting? Oh dear, don't you know that we sting only when we are scared ourselves? She is saying, no need to worry, no need to afraid, because we only sting when we are afraid ourselves, when we are scared. Moreover, we die after we sting. So we do so only when we think somebody is really going to hurt us. So she is saying that moreover we die after we sting. So they do not, they do not sting. They only sting when they think that somebody is going to hurt them. Then only they sting. Otherwise they do not sting. Next, she is saying that I love dancing and I am very good at it. Of course, all bees love to dance. Means all bees love to dance. It's how we send messages. So there's a purpose of dancing, and what's that? They send messages to each other through like this. By watching us dance, other bees get to know how we are feeling. It's a mode of communication in them, that the other bees came to know about the bees, that how they are feeling and what they want to say. I am also very good at maths. I can calculate distance and remember the location of each flower from where I once collected nectar. Now she is saying that she is very good at maths also. Why? Because she can calculate distance and remember the location of each and every flower from whence she has collected the nectar. So she remembered the location and the she remembered the each and every flower from where she once had collected the nectar. I know how far each one is from the other and how to remember them from my home. Means they are so intelligent. They have a nice memory to remember the location and the flower from whence they have collected nectar, and they can easily reach there from their home. Grown up bees teach baby bees. When I grow up, I will teach baby bees as well. Isn't that fun? Now she is saying that grown up bees means the adult bees teach the baby bees the about the production of honey and about collection of nectar and pollen. So she is saying that when I'll grow up, then I will teach my babies too. Being a bee is hard. We have to build a hive, protect it, carry food, produce wax, collect nectar, make honey, and feed ourselves. We have to do all this in just 6 weeks' time. After that we die. Oh, that's very sad. Now you can see that they are really a very hard working creature, as they have to build a hive, protect also. They build hive, then they protect it, they carry food, they produce wax, they collect nectar, and then they make honey to feed um themselves. So bees make honey to feed themselves as well as to their younger ones too, and also so that they have something to eat during winters. So that's why they work whole day and they work too hard. And this is very sad that she is telling us that we have to do all this in just 6 weeks time, because after that they die. So a bee's life is just 6 weeks. I hope you have learned something new about bees today. Excuse me, I have to go now. There's plenty of work to be done. I must go back to busy being as busy as a bee. So now she is saying that she has to go, as she is a bee and she has to do lots of work. And excuse me means a polite way of saying that she is leaving now. So she is saying bye bye to us so that she can go back and make honey for us, so that we can enjoy the honey. And as you know that she's a bee, so she has to be as busy as bee. I hope this chapter is clear to all of you, and you have learned lots of new things about bees. After this, I will give you some written work also. Please learn that. Read this chapter again. Thank you.